Visiting a childcare center. Hi, I would like to know how to enroll my son at your childcare center.
Hi, come in. Please have a seat here.
Thank you.
We have 4 different age groups: babies, toddlers, pre-kinder, kinder room. Baby's room is for 3 months to 2 years. Toddler's room is for 2 to 3 years. Pre-kinder room is for 3 to 4 years. Kinder room is for 4 to 5 years. How old is your son?
2 years and 3 months.
Toddler's room is the right age group for your son, but you can choose other room if you want.
Do you provide lunch?
Yes, we do. We also have morning and afternoon tea time. Children are provided milk, cookies and fruit. You don't need to bring any food.
How much does it cost per day?
$130 per day.
What is the ratio of children to educators in the toddler's room?
4 children per educator. Currently, we have 11 children in the toddler's room. 3 educators look after them.
How long do you provide care each day?
We open at 7 in the morning and close at 6:30. You can choose your drop-off and pick-up time within the opening hours.
I see. Can I look around the classrooms?
Sure you can. I will guide you through. Please follow me. This is the toddler's room. Our educators are passionate and professional. The next room is pre-kinder room.
Okay, is that the outdoor playground?
Yes, it is. We have slides, climber, obstacle balance beam, sandpit, water play space, flowers, plants, and many more. How do you feel?
Very nice.
Are you interested in enrolling your child? We have only one left in the toddler's room.
Yes, I am. Can I have an enrollment form?
Sure.
Can I fill out the form at home and bring it tomorrow?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your interest. See you tomorrow.
Childcare enrollment.
This is a childcare enrollment form. The first section is about your child. What is the surname of your child?
Maringtok.
What is the first name?
Joseph.
Do you have any preferred name?
Joe.
How many days does your child require care?
Monday to Friday.
When would you like to start?
From tomorrow.
How old is your child?
2 years and 3 months.
What is the gender?
Boy.
What language do you speak at home?
English.
The next section is for the parent. What is your given name?
Midra.
Family name?
Maringtok.
Does the child live with you?
Yes.
What is the relationship to child?
Father.
What is you home address?
25 Fake Street, Kara, Sarimal.
What is the postcode?
12345.
What is your occupation?
Accountant.
Do you have a contact number?
Yes, 0987-654-321.
In case of an emergency, we will contact you first. If we could not reach you, we need another person to contact. Can you please give me the full name and contact number?
Jenny Maringtok, 01-2345-6789.
What's the relationship to child?
Grandma.
Do you have a copy of your child's immunization record?
Yes.
Does your child suffer from any allergies?
Yes, my son has an allergy to peanuts.
Does your child have any special needs?
No.
Does your child take any prescribed medication?
No.
Does your child have any special dietary?
No particular dietary requirements except for peanuts.
Does your child sleep in a bed or a cot?
Bed.
Can you please describe your child's sleeping times and habits?
He sleeps at 3 p.m. for an hour and goes to bed at 8. I cuddle the child until he falls asleep.
Has your child been toilet trained?
He's still being trained.
Okay. That's all. Thank you for answering the questions. Can you please sign here?
No problem. Here it is. Thank you. Childcare daily routine. Hi, I'd like to know how to sign in and sign out of the center.
Hi, nice to see you again. When parents arrive in the morning, the first thing to do is to sign in their child using the center's iPad. And then, take the child to the room, and help him put his belongings into the locker. When you collect your child, you also need to sign out.
Can other people pick up my son?
Yes, they can, but they need to be registered first.
I see. Do you provide breakfast to children who arrive early?
Yes, we do provide breakfast to children who arrive before 8 a.m.
Can you please tell me about the typical daily routine?
Sure. Children play with their friends under supervision of educators until 9 a.m. Children are reminded to use the toilet if needed and wash their hands. For babies, we check the nappies every 2 hours and change them if wet. At 9, morning tea is served to the children. At 10 a.m., we have group time. All children get together and are engaged in the various learning activities. For example, reading a storybook, asking questions, and sharing their feeling or ideas. We also have a show and tell time. Children bring an item such as a toy and tell their friends about the item. Children love to sing songs together and dance. We plan the different learning activities each day. At 11 a.m., children play outdoors, climbing, sliding, playing with balls, and gardening. Children put on sunscreen before going outside. At 12 p.m., children have lunch. Freshly cooked, nutritious lunch is served. We also make sure food meets each child's dietary needs. At 1 p.m., children are given opportunity to sleep or do quiet activities. At 2:30 p.m., afternoon tea is provided to children, which includes snacks, fruit, and milk. At 3 p.m., children do outdoor activities. At 4 p.m., children have free indoor playtime until children are collected by their parent. We close at 6:30.
Thank you very much for the detailed information.
Do you have any other questions?
No. That's enough.
Thank you. Bye.
A child has a fever. A child is crying. Can you check why he is crying?
Okay. He looks sick.
Can you check his temperature?
Sure. Where is the thermometer?
It is in the first aid kit box over there. Do you know how to use it?
Sorry, I don't know. Can you please explain to me how to use it?
Turn on the thermometer first. Hold the unit with the sensor 1 cm from forehead, then press the start button. Wait until it beeps, and check the temperature reading.
Thank you. I will do it as you said. Oh, it's 38.5 degrees. It's a bit high.
Can you check if he has a rash on his body?
He has a rash on his body.
Is he having trouble breathing?
No, breathing looks fine.
Can you check if he has blue lips or skin?
He does not have blue lips or skin.
We need to cool him down. Can you take off his jacket and have him rest on the bed?
Sure.
How old is he?
I will check his record. He is 3 years old.
Was he fine this morning?
He usually played with other children actively, but this morning, he didn't.
Can you please contact his parents, tell them their child is sick, and pick him up?
Okay. I will call his mum. Her phone was turned off.
Who else is in the contact list?
Let me check. I got his dad's contact number.
Can you call his dad?
Sure, I am calling him now. Oh, no. It's connecting to the voicemail. I will leave a message. Hi, Mr. Merringtalk, this is Jane, Daycare Center. Your son has a fever. Would you please call me back as soon as possible, and would you please pick him up early today?
Can you check his temperature again?
Yes. I checked the temperature. It's slightly dropped now. 38 degrees.
Please look after him closely. If his dad does not call us, please call him and his mum again.
All right. I will do it.
Parent interview. Hi, I have an appointment for a parent interview.
Hi, nice to see you again. Please have a seat here.
Thanks.
Your child is a very bright and active player. Your child is 3 years old, isn't he?
Yes, he is. Does he sleep at the sleep time?
No, he doesn't. Children who don't want to sleep do quiet activities. What time does your child usually go to bed at night?
He goes to bed at 8 o'clock in the evening, and wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
How do you help your child to sleep at night?
I usually read a book at bedtime. He then falls asleep within 30 minutes.
I see. Next time we will try.
How is my child doing socially?
He gets along well with other children. He has a few friends and plays together.
Have you noticed any behavioral problems?
Not really. Do you have any concern you want to share with us?
Sometimes he pushes his younger sister and does not get along with her.
Siblings often compete for their parents' love. Hitting and bickering are signs of sibling jealousy.
It is not serious, but I am a little bit concerned.
If it is moderate, you don't have to worry about that too much. That's how he expresses his feelings.
Does my child need improvement in any areas?
He wet his pants twice while playing outdoors.
Really?
I asked, what happened? He said, I was busy to play.
He loves playing. Sometimes he forgets to go to toilet.
Yeah, some children do.
Does he listen to the educator?
Yes, he does. He understands instructions well. His communication skills are good.
Is there anything I can do at home to support my child?
It would be helpful to teach him about sharing.
All right. I will do that.
Overall, I don't see any issues in his learning. He is doing very well.
Thank you very much for your advice. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for watching this video.
Would you please click the subscribe button and the like button? Thank you.